Okay, let's see if we got.
Oh, you're
these
looking
short.
good. Look at that face.
Got one side that's wet and the other side is dry already. Let's see. Okay. 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 Looking good, Austin. Hey. Hey, hey, hey.
His word will work.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Do I have the bangs short enough here? One side, the other side is still a little on the long. We can't have that. Close your eyes.
Yeah, he's going to be in a wedding Saturday.
Oh,
So,
yeah?
yeah.
Oh,
Got-
I got it. I gotta have ya. I gotta have your forehead. Keep your eyes closed. Keep them closed. Good job. Good job. Doing good. Okay. Let me see. Not done yet. Hold still, bud. Whoa, lost the comb in your hair. You didn't know your hair was that strong, did you? And hang on to the comb. How about that?
Do you look like Maddie B yet, Austie? I combed his hair the other day. It was so long, I combed it to the side and told him he looked like Justin Bieber.
Oh.
And he goes, no, I look like Maddie B.
I was gonna say, does Justin Bieber have his hair long anymore?
No.
I didn't think so. Side's still a little bit longer. It's wet because it's looking. What? It's wet? Is that why? Okay, hold it real still. Let's see. Hey.
He's too busy with that motorcycle.
Hey, bud. Let's see. Look in the mirror. Look straight forward. That looks better. All right. Let me get the clippers. Get the clippers. Clip, clip, clip.
Oh!
Clip, clip. Hold still. Oh, nope. Come here. Come. Hold still.
You want my help,
Good
Lisa?
looking fella.
You want my help?
No, then we'll have to take the blow dryer and see if we got you good. Okay? Sound good? I know, it tickles, doesn't it? It tickles. Yeah. You feel that vibration there? Huh? Yeah? Okay, can you tip your head? Look to the floor. Look at your shoes. Look at those beautiful shoes that you got. No, not that much, sweetie. Look down at your feet. Can you see them? Good job, buddy. Hey, I still need in there. Yeah, ready? Let's see. Look at the porch. Look at the floor. Hey, got me hanging upside down on my head.
I was going to say, you'll have to go to a chiropractor after this, Lisa.
Yeah, you're gonna meet me. Have to go see the chiropractor man. Okay, let me see. If we get this done, I can let you go. Okay? I gotta see if I got you straight. Can I see? Okay, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Look at the
Bend down
camera.
just a little bit, honey. Hold real still. Good job. Hold real still. I don't know how we did it, but we got it. Shoo! Okay, let's. You got hair all over you now. Now let's put this up here for a second, okay? Okay, let's get you with the blow dryer. Ready for some heat? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? You like it? Look better? Are you tired of me getting you with a blow dryer? Huh? Are you tired of me getting you with a blow dryer? Are you? You didn't like that hot air?
Can you tell her thank you?
You're welcome. Here. Ready? Come here.
You ready to go? You want what? Toy? You got a toy.
Got hair all over you, bud.